There's no problem with copying and pasting a text inside Neovim. You can just yank it by pressing Y after selecting and paste by pressing P. But if you copied something in Neovim and want to paste it into your browser or another app, you can't just paste it with Ctrl V. But after watching this video, you'll be able to. Firstly, we need a clipboard manager installed on our system. So install wl-clipboard with your package manager. If you are using a Debian-based distro, use apt. For Arch-based ones, use pacman, and for others, find the appropriate comment in the description. And if it's already installed, just skip this step. After installing wl-clipboard, we will add it to the config file located in .config/nvim/init.lua. So, enter the command on the screen to open the file in Neovim and type this command to indicate the clipboard to Neovim. After saving the file with WQ, reopen it. Press Shift-V to enter visual mode, then press Y to yank it, and try pasting it to another app with Ctrl-V. This way you can both paste the text to other apps and access them later in Clipboard. If you encounter any issues or have a suggestion, you can comment below.